particularly with career paths and courses that, courses you might choose to get into certain jobs, is the alignment with one's lifestyle and the things that are important in people's lives. And I'm going to hand on over to you, Iona, to talk to us a little bit about perhaps flexibility and some of the peripheral reasons, or I suppose, or other reasons why people might choose something in the bookkeeping and accounting field that might align with what's going on in their life a little bit better, perhaps some different types of roles.
Okay, of all of the things that we can do in an employment context, one of the most flexible industries that we can work in is the bookkeeping and accounting industry. A lot of the work we do is online, and even more so now. A lot of the work we do might be with a number of different clients at different sites, but with the advent of our accounting software being available online, we can literally pick up our laptop as a bookkeeper and an accountant, and we can go and sit with our client, and we might actually do that 3 or 4 times a week with 3 or 4 different clients. So one of the things that working in this industry does, and in this context does, is it provides us with not just flexibility, but it also provides us with portability. And we find that a lot of people that work in their own business, for example, or as a consultant, will often work on multiple sites, variable hours. I know of one bookkeeper who works as a consultant in southern New South Wales, for example, and she works between over about a 200-kilometre distance with a number of different clients, and is often sitting at the beach with one of her clients working and consulting. So there's a number of different things and different contexts that we can work in with. It also fits around our lifestyle. We tend to find that a number of students in the course might be entering their second or third careers because they're at different places in their life. So they might want flexibility working around partners or young children, or they might have actually, their context for their work might have changed. So they might have moved from the city to a rural area, for example, or vice versa. So again, sort of the bookkeeping and accounting sector, if you like, provides so much flexibility for us as people. We can work shorter hours, longer hours, weekends, not weekends, with our own clients, with other people's clients, or we can just work in a role that we're employed into in any one of a number of different roles. So as we've seen here, sort of this course takes us to all sorts of places. The other thing that this course will also do is it can actually feed into other sectors such as project management and managing project budgets on large projects. It can feed into multi-site business units where we produce a number of different products over a number of different sites. So there's that flexibility there as well, James. So really, it's a great course for a broad range of opportunities, flexibility and portability. It's a really cool industry to work in.
Well, bookkeeping on the beach, it's good work if you can get it, that's for sure. Now, talking about the breadth of application, we've just had a question come in. Would it be suitable for, say, the heavy vehicle transportation field? How diverse is its application, and would it be suitable for the heavy vehicle transportation field?
Most definitely. The fundamentals of bookkeeping and the fundamentals of accounting are pretty much standard across just about every industry. There's always specializations, but for heavy transport, for example, and for the additional reporting that you may need to do. So, for example, for fuel and reporting against fuel and things like that, yes, most definitely. We do actually touch on that in part of the course, but the students who complete the Certificate IV and move into the Diploma of Accounting, we actually drill down even more into those type of aspects of management accounting in the next level of the course. So they're introduced at this level in the Certificate IV, but in the pathway we actually drill down into that even more in the next.